guys, thanks for coming to Draw with Mom. Today I'm going to draw a crab. Okay, grab your pen, let's get started. All right, we're going to start with the body of the crab. So we're going to start over here on the left-hand side, and we're going to come up right about here. We're going to leave a little space for his eyes, so then we're going to come right over, leave that little space on the other side, and come right back down to right about there. Now we're going to come down just a little bit on each side. And we're going to go ahead and draw those big front claws. So we're going to come up and around and back in just like that. Almost looks like a moon. And then we're going to come back in and put in that smaller claw. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So we're going to come up, around, and back up. And then we're going to finish off that little claw, just like that. All right, now we're going to come and finish off the body. And come right through there and up. We're going to go ahead and put in his little legs. So they almost kind of look like a spider, really. So they're going to come up and down, down again, up, down, down again, and just connect. And we're going to do that with all the legs, these yummy crab legs. Connect. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. There's one. There's two. And there's our last leg. All right. Now for the legs, we're going to go in and draw little lines at each joint. And we're going to go in and draw this little detail, this line just right across that separates the top of the shell from the bottom. And we're going to put his eyes in. So we're going to come up, and we're going to do a big round circle right there. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Like that. And just make sure you connect that body back. And then we're going to put nice black pupils in there. And just leave a little bit of white for the eye. And I'm going to put a little smile on this crab. And we're going to just do a couple little dots, since their shells are always pretty colorful and cool. Maybe a couple on the top of them too. And then we're going to go ahead and make sure all those body lines are connected. It's hard sometimes when you're drawing with a marker and you need to leave space for what you know is going to come. Whereas when you draw with a pencil, you can always erase those lines. Okay, I'm going to make these lines a little bit thicker so it's really obvious where those joints are. All right, we are ready to get coloring. So grab your crayons, let's go. Okay, guys, there we have it. There's our little crab. Thanks for watching today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, Draw with Mom, and check me out on Instagram. See you next time.